Hey Ryan, it's been forever since we last met. How have you been?
Emily, wow, it really has been a long time. I've been doing great, just super busy with work lately. How about you?
I've been good too, just trying to balance work and life. Honestly, I missed our little coffee chats.
Same here. Those were the best. So, what's new? Anything exciting happening in your life?
Well, a few things actually. I started taking yoga classes, and guess what? I'm finally learning how to cook.
No way. You cooking, that's awesome. What's your signature dish so far?
Don't laugh, but pasta. Just simple pasta. But I'm getting better. What about you? Still hitting the gym like before?
Yeah, kind of, not as much as I used to, but I try to go at least 3 times a week. Sitting at a desk all day is killing me.
Tell me about it. I feel like my back hurts more now than when I was in college.
Same here. Getting older is real, huh?
Don't remind me. By the way, do you still travel as much as you used to? I remember you always had a new trip planned.
Not as often, but I did go to Italy last summer. It was amazing.
Italy? That sounds like a dream. Which city did you like the most?
Florence, hands down. The art, the food, the history, everything was incredible. You'd love it.
Ugh, you're making me jealous. I need a vacation so badly.
You totally should. Where would you go if you could pack your bags right now?
Probably Japan. I've always wanted to see the cherry blossoms and try real sushi.
Japan is on my list too. Maybe we should plan a trip together someday.
That would be amazing. Imagine us trying to navigate the Tokyo subway.
That would be an adventure for sure. Speaking of adventures, do you remember that time we got lost on our road trip?
How could I forget? We drove 2 hours in the wrong direction.
And we ended up in that tiny town with no signal. Honestly, that was one of the best parts of the trip.
Agreed. Sometimes the unexpected moments are the most memorable.
Totally. So, what are you working on these days? Any big projects?
Yeah, actually. I just started working on a new app with my team. It's kind of like a personal finance tracker, but way more user-friendly.
That sounds so cool. You've always been into tech stuff. Is it stressful?
A little, but I love it. What about you? How's your job going?
Pretty good. I got promoted recently, so now I manage a small team. It's exciting, but also a bit overwhelming at times. That's amazing, Emily. Congrats, you totally deserve it.
Thanks, Ryan. It feels good, but now I have so many meetings. Sometimes I just want a day off with no emails, no calls.
I hear you. Adult life, right? We wanted to grow up so bad, and now, here we are.
Yep. Can we go back to college days? No responsibilities, just fun.
If only, but hey, we can still make time for fun. Coffee today, maybe dinner next week.
Absolutely. Let's not wait another year to catch up.
Deal?